I have been at Stickley since 1974, and that's the year my husband and I bought Stickley. My father-in-law was the largest Stickley dealer in the country. He would always talk to all the other dealers about the importance of teaching people about quality products and how fine furniture is built, and that there is nothing that's built like Stickley.
Stickley has a really broad appeal. I think what my grandfather loved about it was the integrity and the construction, the beauty and clarity and the finishes, and it was built for a lifetime. He instilled that same love of Stickley in my father. My father, in turn, got me involved in the business as well as my younger sisters, and it wasn't long after moving here that my mother actually jumped in right by his side, and together they helped resuscitate and rebuild one of the great American furniture brands.
Mr. Stickley died in 1957, and his widow, Louise, inherited the business. She wanted, really, to her credit, wanted somebody who cared about it and maintaining its tradition. She called my husband. She said, "Alfred, you're the only one who loves Stickley enough to keep its quality. Would you buy it?" And that was the beginning of a long journey.
Alfred had that spark, that passion for Stickley product. His heart and soul was in it, and it was very infectious. It got the rest of us involved with it too.
I'm second generation Stickley. My father's been here 46 years. I've been here 26 years. The passion that I saw when walking through Stickley just made me fall in love with furniture. Stickley grew from the time my dad started, where they were 30 or 35 people, to where we are now, where we employ hundreds of people. The Audis, they really stay on top of things. Any given day, you'll see either Mrs. Audi or Edward out in the factory. It helps everybody feel like we're all working towards the same goal, and I really think that's important.
The heart and soul of everything that we do comes down to the hands of the people that make the product. And our people have so much pride. We have a beautiful mosaic of craftsmen and women from all over the world making product here in America. It's an atmosphere of respect. It's an atmosphere of old world craftsmanship and state-of-the-art technology side by side, and it's really a unique part of our story.
As somebody said to me once, I will never look at a piece of Stickley and think of it as just a piece of furniture. I will think of all the loving hands that created it.
The passion that the Audis show towards all of their workers, no matter who you are. When they say family, it's truly family. We are all family. And the product that we build is pretty special. It's been quite a journey and quite a ride, and even I'm surprised when I hear the 120-year mark. And I'm proud to know that 46 of that was with at least my help.
One thing that is a great point of pride is the ability to be involved in continuing this legacy that was started by the Stickley brothers, continued by Louise Stickley, and passed on to my father and mother in the early 70s. The fact that Stickley's still here after 120 years through all the ups and downs of the various economies and near extinction in the early 70s is really something special. It's a great American brand. It's a wonderful comeback story and success story. And it's one that we all take very seriously here. The legacy here is strong, and here's to the next 120 years.
I'm so proud of the commitment of our people who come and don't view this as just a job. It's a calling, and they do it with a lot of commitment and love and caring, and it shows in the finished product. The commitment and the integrity with which we build the furniture and run the business is something that will be everlasting.